Isn't it crucial to monitor carbon monoxide levels for safety in your environment?
Introducing Carbon Monoxide Transmitter.
A reliable device designed to monitor levels accuracy with cutting-edge sensing technology and ensure your safety. Applications: marine applications, oil and gas, mines, parking lots.
How it works. It uses a Japanese electrochemical sensor to detect CO levels and provides outputs via selectable analog options. Plus, an optional built-in buzzer alerts you in case of high CO levels.
Fast response time ensures immediate action. Amp efficiency: 4 to 20 mA/0 to 10 VDC field selectable output. Optional RS-485 Modbus communication. Optional relay output. Built-in alarm enhances safety by alerting users to potential issues.
It integrates with BMS/EMS via Modbus communication. Connects to PLCs through analog outputs, 4 to 20 mA or 0 to 10 VDC.
How does the AI CO transmitter work?
When CO levels reach the alarm set point, it activates the buzzer. Control panel alarm is triggered. Plus, it enhances alarm systems to alert you promptly.
Contact us at +919010398514 or email sales@acefirst.com for inquiries.